Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a beautiful fishtail braid and how to transform it into a gorgeous bun for special occasions. So let's begin. For this hairstyle I'm going to need much longer and thicker hair than my own, so I'm going to start from incorporating some of my Glam Time clip-in hair extensions to create a beautiful high ponytail. I basically create a small ponytail in the center of my head, attach several wefts of clip-in extensions, and then cover them with my own hair. On my channel I made a very detailed video on how to do it, so feel free to check it out. And that's what my high ponytail looks like after I attach the extensions. Now we can use this ponytail to create a regular fishtail braid. So we separate the ponytail in two equal parts, then we split a tiny strand of hair from one side and bring it over to the other side. Then we do a symmetric procedure, we split a tiny strand of hair from that side and bring it over to the other side, and so on. We split and we cross. 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 When the braid gets quite long, I'm going to bring it over my shoulder and braid my hair, keeping it in front, just for the convenience of styling. Finally, I'm going to secure the ends with a tiny elastic band and spend a moment tugging on my braid. That's my favorite part, that's when the magic happens and I get my braid looking very soft and voluminous. That's what it looks like once I'm done. Personally, I love it. Let me know what you think. And now it's time for a quick day-to-night transformation. Grab your braid and wrap it around the base of the ponytail, just like that. All you have to do is secure it with a couple of strong bobby pins and you're ready to go. Isn't it fantastic? While it may take you some time to create the initial braid, transforming it into a super pretty bun will take you literally a minute. I thank you very much for watching and I see you in my next video. Bye!